Brian, namhlanje sifila kahle kakhulu, si happy ngale ndlela ukuthi like I can't wait for Saturday. I so wish bangasinikeza iSundowns kusasa. iPirates idlale kakhulu. I1 zaka November 2nd. It's too far. I'm waiting for Saturday. This is calling Black Label. We won and I know iPirates are final. So for the fact ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi thina siluze 2 games ku league. Abantu basirate off but iPirates angeke izithathe league. I'm telling you this season iPirates izothatha league. Kune team ewine 4-0. Last time angeke ngize ngisho. Now win 4 games, I mean to say. Win 4 games, that draw 1. But bayithathile league. Thina siluze 2 games, then basirate off but iPirates angeke ithathe league. So Saturday is move on 2 games. Saturday is done Sundowns. Once I shy Sundowns Saturday, sizoshaya Sundowns ngo 2-1. Brian, iPirates yenza kakhulu. The thing that is special about Pirates, our coaches, that comes and goes. They're giving young players a chance. Today, Denson started the game. He showed. He came up. So that is what I'm impressed about Pirates. That thing that is special about Pirates, they're giving young players a chance. So that is why you see Pirates is throwing.
Anyway, bola ki bola, tiski ki tiski, there is a win or lose. Pirates idlalile, kuyayilebuyisa the way idlale enkateni. Limakezi idlalile and idlalile sharp. Anyway, mesizele chance tsengata uri ngascora. Anyway, Pirates winile my brother, there's nothing we can do about it. Mara machita adlalile. I'm happy about the guys. Saltobona qualiking wetsalang my brother.
Fetu. Can I give a round of applause to our fans, the Orlando Pirates fans? Nalaba sebesijoinile, Kaizer Chiefs must join us slowly but surely. Buzz every game to support us. That's a good thing. I'm happy once and always. You know the story. Once and always for Ipagani. The fans are the 12th men in the field, and the fans are doing great, and the coach is doing great with his players. You know, love Orlando Stadium is what is making us win these games. We got love from the supporters to the coach to the players.
Going to Saturday game, I'm very sure or mobile Bashika. Yeah, the whole South Africa is shaker. Pirates and 2 years member it's an amazing. So obviously, Kolota Stadium, Abana supporters, Jonabana supporters, Holo starter, Holo win again.
Mapakani amate, si winile, si shaile, sonke.